Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your normal photo into an aesthetic studio headshot for free. First, just open your ChatGPT. In here, we will use ChatGPT, and then after that, just tap on Create Image, this one, and then in here, just choose this studio headshot like this, and then after that, just upload your photo on here like this. And after that, you can, if you want to tweak the prompt that available in here, you can just tweak the prompt as you like. But if you want to make it uh, same as the original prompt from the ChatGPT, you can just simply tap on submit or send prompt. And okay, like this, you will get the results like this. And okay, I think the results, it looks so good. It looks like a studio headshot like this, and I think it's so aesthetic with the dramatic lightning like this, and then dramatic effect like this. I think it's so good. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.